57% of Americans age 65 or older own annuities. Wealthier Americans with investable assets of $1 million or more show a 41% ownership rate of annuities. Considering these statistics, I think there is clear buy-in amongst the wealthiest Americans. Most retirees have them in their portfolio. And today, we're going to help you understand if you should too. Hey there, welcome to Retire Strong, presented by Protection USA. My name is Rich Strehl, and I'm thrilled to be your host today. Let's talk about something that can seriously level up your retirement game: annuities. But before we dive into annuity talk, let's zoom out just a little bit. Retirement just isn't about annuities. It's like a big puzzle with pieces like generating cash, being smart with your taxes, and making savvy financial moves. We're here to break this down for you. Let's make sure your retirement isn't just secure, but that you're set up for some serious success. So grab a seat, grab your favorite grande caramel latte, because annuities are on the agenda. They're an absolute game changer for a retirement plan. Ready to roll? Let's do it. Now let's zoom back in and focus on annuities. They're a key player in securing your financial future during retirement. Let's first discuss a fixed index annuity that has a 30% bonus and 8% guaranteed growth for at least the first 10 years. When you're ready, you can flick a switch and turn on guaranteed lifetime income. This ensures financial security in your retirement. A minimal annual fee of 1.1% is associated with this particular annuity. It's crucial to note the 9-year surrender charge with this annuity, but wait, regardless of this 9-year period or any time horizon for that matter, you can turn on lifetime income whenever you want, even in the first year, if that's what makes sense for you. No charges, no fees. Speaking of no fees, let's move on to this next fixed index annuity, because unlike the first one where it had that low 1.1% annual fee, this one has no fees at all. It has 100% principal protection, which means whatever dollar amount you put in, your statements will never reveal a number less than that. You'll never lose a dime. And it has a 30-year history of outperforming the stock market. The mighty S&P 500, this has beat it on average for the last 30 years running. This particular annuity comes with a 7-year surrender charge if you take out amounts greater than 10% per year. To simplify, you have $500,000 in your annuity that particular year, you can take out $50,000. Now, all of this goes away at the end of 7 years. It's a great option for people that are seeking principal protection and a track record that outperforms the stock market. Let's weigh in on the pros and cons of annuities when it comes to retirement planning. The pros include guaranteed income, principal protection, and the potential for bonuses. The cons involve surrender charges and limitations on annual withdrawals. Now let's address the elephant in the room, the not so stellar reputation that some folks have with annuities. For some, it's like the black sheep of the retirement planning family. But here's the deal, not all annuities are created equally. Is it equally or equal? Either way, they're not the same. See, oftentimes where annuities get a bad rap, it's with the variable ones. That's not what we're talking about here today. The variable annuities can be quite a bit unpredictable, and you can't really avoid that roller coaster ride of the stock market. Oh, and they can come with some fees that'll make your head spin. It's like stepping into the financial Wild West. But let's hit pause and shift the spotlight to a different player in the world of annuities, the fixed index annuity. These aren't your run-of-the-mill annuities. These are the ones, they're the calm, cool, and collected cousins. Fixed index annuities don't play the market like the variable crew. Instead, they offer a pretty unique blend. You can get the full upside, full upside of the market when it's doing well, with zero risk, no concerns. Can't lose a dime when the market goes down. It's like having a safety net for your money. Plus the fees. Remember, the fees are low or no fees at all. They're not there to drain your funds. Fixed index annuities compared to their variable counterparts have very low fees, making them a budget-friendly solution. So if you've heard annuities can carry a bad rap, remember, not all annuities are created equal. And the fixed index annuities are here to debunk a lot of those myths. They offer a more stable and very cost-effective route to securing your retirement. It's time to rethink the narrative and consider options that align with your financial goals. So let's keep busting those myths and explore the real deal in retirement planning. According to studies, 57% of Americans age 65 or older own annuities. Wealthier Americans with investable assets of $1 million or more show a 41% ownership rate in annuities. Considering these statistics, it's essential to understand what the wealthy are doing with their money. Of the two annuities I mentioned earlier, one of them has a $25,000 minimum contribution. So in other words, 25 grand to get started in it. And the other one has only a $10,000 minimum contribution. This allows you to tailor your investments based on your financial situation. All right, let's talk dollars and cents. Just how do we go about funding these annuities? How do we get money in them? What methods and options are there? Well, it's kind of like a choose your own adventure for your cash. First, you can roll money from a 401k as long as your employer allows rollovers, or your traditional IRA. It's like giving your retirement savings a fresh start, a new home with potential perks. Now here's a twist. Annuities can even play a role in the Roth IRA game. Yes, you heard it right. Remember, the Roth is the one that gives you the tax-free growth potential. Well, with annuities, it's on the table. Maybe you're feeling more straightforward. No worries. You can cut a check, transfer cash from your bank right into your annuity. No hoops, no qualifiers, just your money starting to make powerful moves. So whether you're shuffling funds from your retirement heavyweights or transferring from your bank, annuities offer you flexibility and options. It's your financial journey, and annuities are here to make it work for you. Ready to explore more? So remember, annuities are just part of the retirement planning picture. How much should you consider putting into one of these compared to the rest of your portfolio? Well, when it comes to our personal finances and our retirement planning, personal is the key word there. So there's not one right answer. There's not a cookie cutter approach as to how much of your portfolio should be in an annuity. But hold on, I can do better than that. I can give you a little bit of insight. Most of our clients are finding the 40 to 60% range to be the sweet spot. And most of them are 50 years of age or older. This 40 to 60% range gives them protection and lifetime income based on roughly half of their portfolio. It gives them the flexibility to have the other half of their portfolio for liquidity or emergencies or even other investment opportunities. In conclusion, annuities can be valuable tools in retirement planning. It provides stability, protection, and guaranteed income, all for little or no fees. It's crucial to consider your financial situation, your goals, and your liquidity needs before considering putting an annuity into your portfolio. Thank you for tuning in to Protection USA. I hope you found this episode helpful. If so, please do me a big favor and give it a like. And until next time, may God bless you.